Leetcode daily challenge. It is a hard problem today. Minimum 1611, minimum 1-bit operations to make integer 0. Before we start resolving this problem, I'm wondering if you have ever played an interlock game. It's called 9 Links in your childhood. The goal of this game is to take off all the rings in different sizes. The key point to play this game is to first always start with the biggest ring. Second, the biggest ring could only be taken off with and only with the second biggest ring is on. This problem is exactly the same game. It is a recursive problem. In this Leetcode problem, to make an integer 0, we want to turn each bit of 1 to 0, just like to take off a ring. For any given number, say 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, we always start from the highest bit. The only way to make this highest bit 0 is to have something like 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, which is 1 for the highest bit and 1 for the second highest bit. Then all the other bits are 0. Just like the kids game. Let's check this number. If we divide this number into 3 sections, A, B, and C, where A is the highest bit, which will definitely be 1. B is the second highest bit, which should be 1 or 0. And C is all the other bits that left. The approach is to turn this number ABC to A10, or since A is always 1, just 110. Then we can turn this 110 to 10 with the operation number 2. Where in this step, if B is 1, then there's nothing to do but to remove the C. But if B is 0, we can achieve this goal by plus 10 blah blah first, then minus C. Anyway, we want to increase it first. Another point we have to understand here is that the number of operations, say from 3 to 0, will be the same as it from 0 to 3. That's why we can increase this A0C to A10 by adding 1 and minus C. Then again, it will be recursive. We keep removing the highest bit until we get a 0.